Good morning, all. So today we are going to learn next topic from our syllabus is HTML. So firstly, let's see the introduction of HTML. So HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is not a programming language. It is a markup language. The markup languages are used to control how a document is displayed or printed on a device. So use of HTML. So HTML is used to create a web pages on the web browser. It is also used to create UIs, that is user interfaces. So UI contains elements like text, colors, menus, buttons, and videos. Everything that is visible and usable for users. So next is the requirements to implicit the HTML. So first one is the text editor. So that is Notepad, Notepad++, Sublime, Visual Studio, etc. So we can use any text editor to write the HTML code. Second is the web browser. So web browsers are Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Internet Explorer, Netscape Navigator, Opera. So we can use any web browser to run the HTML code. So editor is used to write the HTML tag and web browser is used to implement the HTML code. So let's see the process to execute the HTML code. So firstly, we have to create a HTML code in text editor. After that, save the file with the extension .html or .htm. So this implies that is a web page. It's not a file. So after that, open the file in web browser. So we can use any web browser to run our HTML code. So after the opening the file in web browser, we can see the output of our HTML tag on the web page. It will create a web page on web browser. Let's see the basic introduction of tags. So we will write the code using tags. Tag is represented in between less than and greater than symbol. So every tag will be having start tag and end tag. Start tag is represented as less than and greater than, and end tag is represented as less than slash greater than. So that slash represent as the end of the tag. For example, this is the start tag and end tag of HTML. So let's see the basic tags in HTML to create a web page. The first one is the HTML tag. These are the start tag and end tag of HTML. This is the main tag of every document in our web page. So second is the head tag. These are the start tag and end tag of head. So head tag is used to define the head section of an HTML document. Next is the title tag. So these are the start tag and end tag of title. So whatever the content we have writing in between title tag, that will be displayed as a title on title bar. So title tag comes under the head tag. The fourth one is the body tag. These are the start tag and end tag of body. So body tag is the actual content to be displayed. It's where all the visible content of web page is placed, including text, images, links, tables, and lists. So let's see the basic example of HTML. So this is the example of HTML code. It will create a web page on the web browser. So I will show this on the Notepad plus plus. I'm using text editor as Notepad plus plus. Okay, so this is the basic example. This is the HTML tag. So we write all the tags in between HTML. So second is the head tag, and the title tag comes under the head tag. It will show on the title bar. Then close the head tag and open the body tag. So we will write content in body tag. After that, close the body tag, and lastly HTML tag. So I will show you this program on the web page. Okay, so this is the output of our HTML tag. This is the title bar. So it's welcome to my class, as I write this in my code, and this is the good morning in body tag. This displays in this is our content to be displayed in the body tag. Thank you.